Let's get cracking.
All right, let's get cracking.
Deep breath. Good job.
Oh.
Beautiful. Great job. Deep breath. Neck on the right. We're going to do the atlas up here. Breathe with me. I got you. Good job. Nice. Beautiful. You see how that one's stuck there a little bit? Nice. Whew. Beautiful. Give a good tug. Your shoulder's sticking up a little bit. You must be right-handed. That's a little tender there. Let's get that one back. Why don't you grab the back of the neck on this side? Like that for me. Beautiful. Breathe with me. Pull you down. Again. Your hand just a little closer right here. Perfect. Good. Good job. Good. Let's hit the other shoulder. Grab the back neck here. Good. A little bit lower in the neck there. Perfect. Okay. Good job. Good job. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Deep breath. Awesome. Deep breath. Good job. Good job.
Whoa.
Awesome. Great job. Good. Deep breath. Good job.
Whoa.
Beautiful. Great job. Lovely. Good job. Good job. Beautiful. Lovely. Good again. Good job. Good job. Deep breath. Good. Strong back. Good job.
Whoa.
Again. Nice. Beautiful. Keep going. Real stuff right here. Good. Good. Beautiful. And last one. We're kind of roll this kind of tension spot that happens when you sit at your desk all day long. Lovely. Awesome. Deep breath. Good job.
Ooh.
Nice. Great job. Again. Good job. Beautiful. Do the same great job you did before. Just absolutely kind of breathe and relax. Good again.
Oh.
Good job. Beautiful. Great job. Nice. Good job. Good. Good job. Good job. Good. Good job. Beautiful. Good. Good job. Nice. Beautiful. What do we got here? Deep breath. Good job. Nice. Good. Again. This is going to be a big one because we got it big on the right.
Oh.
Good job. Good job.
That one took me by surprise.
Good job. Good job. Nice. Beautiful. Great job. Awesome. One more. This we already got. Good. Give that one back to you. There's that. Good. One more. Good job. Good. Nice.
That one pops more than it usually does.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, totally. Good. Good. And so yeah, it moves there, it doesn't move here, it's sore here.
Okay.
So we'll take our finger and take my thumb. Oh, gotcha. Good job.
Oh my God.
Good job. Beautiful. Nice. Great job. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay.
Great job. Great job. Wiggle your neck around.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Good job.
Oh my gosh.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah. Finger.
Oh, that's tight.
Yeah, it's because his shoulders are coming forward, and and they're
Okay.
abusing the bottom of that neck, and that's why the bottom of
Yeah.
that neck is so
I
locked.
know.
Good.
Sometimes I get tension headaches. I feel.
Really? Yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty common thing.
Okay.
Kind of the equivalent of sciatica in the upper extremities. Nice.
Oh my gosh. Holy.
Good. And kind of give yourself a big I love myself hug. And
love
squeeze here.
myself.
Nice. Good. Good. Again. Beautiful. Great job. Nice. Good job. Other side.
Other side?
Yeah.
Okay, another hug.
Another hug. Yes.
Okay. Sorry.
Beautiful. You're doing great. Good. Good job. Beautiful. Great job. Lovely.